two of President Trump's most controversial nominees, clearing a major hurdle now on their path to confirmation. Secretary of Health and Human Services nominee Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and Director of National Intelligence nominee Tulsi Gabbard both advancing out of committee today. Tonight, RFK Jr. overcoming the reservations of a key Republican senator who is also a doctor. That senator now supporting RFK Jr., the senator up for re-election. Here's our senior political correspondent, Rachel Scott.
Tonight, two of the president's most controversial nominees clearing key hurdles on track for confirmation as skeptical Republican senators fall in line. Health Secretary nominee Robert F. Kennedy Jr. winning approval of the Finance Committee after the lone Republican holdout, Bill Cassidy of Louisiana, who is also a doctor, voted yes.
Mr. Cassidy. Mr. Cassidy, aye.
Cassidy had grilled Kennedy over his years of spreading misinformation about vaccines. The senator acknowledged he was struggling with the nomination. But ultimately, Cassidy, who is facing re-election next year, fully aware of the pressure he could face for voting no, now giving Kennedy his full support.
Ultimately, restoring trust in our public health institution is too important. And I think Mr. Kennedy can help get that done.
A few hours later, former Congresswoman Tulsi Gabbard, Trump's pick for Director of National Intelligence, passing a party line vote in the Senate Intelligence Committee, despite Republican concerns over her meeting with former Syrian dictator Bashar al-Assad and her refusal to call Edward Snowden a traitor. Gabbard and Kennedy, two disruptors and a team of them. The leading figure, billionaire Elon Musk, who is out to reshape the government itself. His Department of Government Efficiency, staffed largely by young engineers, at least one of them just 19, have brought beds into their government offices. Musk posting on X, working the weekend is a superpower. His team getting access to the Treasury Department's payment system, which processes trillions of dollars of the government's bills and includes the personal information of millions of Americans. Musk then seizing control of USAID, which provides humanitarian assistance around the world, helping an estimated 32 million children suffering malnutrition and bringing food, water, shelter, and health care to victims of natural disasters. USAID's $43 billion budget is a tiny fraction of what the government spends, about 1%. But Musk, who is the world's richest man, posting, "We spent the weekend feeding USAID into the wood chipper." And tonight, sources tell ABC News that the State Department is now starting to evacuate all USAID staff who are on foreign assignments worldwide, some 1,500 to 2,000 people. The goal is to bring all those workers and their families back to the United States by this weekend. On Capitol Hill, Republicans applauding Musk's goals.
He's throwing out big ideas. And if anybody thinks that all of these big ideas are going to be implemented to conclusion, they don't understand the process of disruption.
But Democrats sounding the alarm.
It is unconscionable for him to be exercising the kind of influence and power that he is with his conflicts of interest and his financial benefits flowing to him from the kind of destructive impact. It's not disruptive, it's destructive.
And the next target for Elon Musk, the Department of Education. Musk already looking for sweeping changes and cuts. Sources tell us that members of his team were spotted at the department this week. And tonight, President Donald Trump making it clear he wants to abolish the Department of Education altogether, David.
Rachel Scott live on the Hill tonight. Rachel, thank you.